Good morning. It's 5:30 and we thought we'll do a challenge to ourselves, seeing that it is a morning drive. How many animals can we see in 2 hours? 2 hours, I think we can do at least 50 different type of animals. So good start. We're already on like 10 animals, and we saw some game vehicles like racing down the gravel road, so we actually followed them. We got there and we saw one cheetah and 20 game vehicles. So amazing sighting. I've never seen so many game vehicles like in one part. But yeah, we also saw a cheetah, so we're on a roll. There's a cheetah and 20 corn. but you'll see the cheetah is quite in the We had an amazing morning drive here at Crocodile Bridge. We saw, how much is it?
29.
29 different animals. Okay, we included a dove, but a dove is still an animal. Yeah, 29 different animals that we saw. Saw cheetah this morning, saw a lion, very happy. Now we're going to drive up to Nkulu and make a breakfast there. Thank you for joining.